Okay, so here I am at church, and we have a bunch of these tables, and they didn't have any covers for them, so I got these, and we're going to try it on. We're actually in the gym right now, and we'll use a lot of the covers for these long tables. So this is a 6-foot table. It has 30 inches by 72 inches, and I got this adorable buffalo plaid. So let's go ahead and see how this fits. I was really impressed that these are waterproof and washable, which is exactly what you need when you have a church potluck, because there is always going to be food falling on these, and it's so nice that you can just throw them in the laundry. Okay, that took like no time at all to put this on, which I really like. And let's check the fit. Okay, if you want to come over here and see, I love that this like goes underneath the table, because this is going to keep the wind out of it, and it's nice and stretchy there. So I love that. And I noticed that it all the way around, it's like under the table. So that's really nice. Now this has been laying out for a while, like out of the package, and it's actually not too wrinkly. It's got some wrinkles like where it was folded, which is to be expected, but it's not a ton of wrinkles on the top, which is really nice. And as I look at this pattern, here, I'll show you. If you want to look at this pattern like up close, look at how nice this pattern is. Like, this is not fuzzy, it's not blurry. The print is really, really nice, and it actually feels really soft too, which is great. I'm pretty impressed with this. So as far as laundering, I noticed on the directions that you can put it in the laundry. You want to stay away from bleach. You want to stay away from acidic foods, from acidic liquids. You just want to do it gentle in the laundry, and then you can either iron it to get all the wrinkles out, or you can tumble dry it on low heat, or you can also air dry it, which is the preferred method. But yeah, so this fit is great. This is definitely not going to come off if it's windy, and this is perfect for my church because actually this came with 2 of these. It came with 2 in a pack, and with these being washable and waterproof, we are going to get so much use out of these, and I'm really excited about this. So this is definitely a cute little pattern. I can tell that it's going to hold up well because this has a waterproof layer. So all in all, it fits great. I'm impressed with this. So if you are looking for some waterproof, washable picnic cover tables, they have different sizes, and I just picked the long one. So I would definitely check this out if I were you. This looks like it's going to work well for us, and it might just work well for you too. Highly recommend. Hi, the link is in the description below. Hit the like button if you liked this video, and subscribe if you want to hear more things that I drop for reviews. Everything that I review is something that I personally use and love, so follow along on my journey, and I would love to have you. So we will see you next time. Bye.